Welcome to Joy Yoga. This is a 15-minute bedtime practice. We'll start lying on our bellies. If you have two blocks, you can place them underneath your shoulders, forehead to the mat, and let your arms come along your body, palms facing up. Big toes touch. Allow the heels to splay apart. And just allow yourself to sink into your mat. Let everything go from the day. And just be here. And breathe. Begin lengthening out your inhales and finding an even longer exhale. Give your jaw a little wiggle and release it. Long, slow, deep breath. With every exhale, sinking deeper into your mat. Bring your hands to the mat beside your ribs, elbows point up, and then press into your hands. Take the knees as wide as the mat, big toes touch, and then send the hips back for a wide-kneed child's pose. Forehead comes to the mat. Allow your belly to expand on the inhale and soften on the exhale. Walk your hands to the right side of your mat. Keep your forehead on the ground. And just get a bit of a side stretch, breathing into the left side body. Three more deep breaths. Come back to center, and then walk your hands to the left side of your mat, getting a stretch in the right side body. Three deep breaths. Walk your hands back to center. Let everything be heavy. Press into your palms and then come up through table. Curl the toes under and then lift the hips up and back, briefly coming into down dog. Now walk your hands back towards your feet. Bend your knees a lot. Just allow yourself to hang over your legs for ragdoll. Maybe reach for opposite elbows. Press into the feet, but allow the crown of the head to reach toward the ground, allowing space to come in between each vertebrae. Maybe rock side to side, nod the head yes, shake the head no. Release the hands to the mat and then walk your hands back out towards down dog. Pause and then bring the knees to the mat, coming into table. So hands stacked under the shoulders, knees stacked under the hips, and then drop the belly on the inhale and then round into the spine, exhale. Continue moving through these two positions, adding anything else that your body is craving right now. Maybe moving side to side or making some circles with the ribs. Come back to a neutral spine and then just sit down on your mat, sending the legs through to one side. And then send the left leg long and bring the right foot to the inner left thigh. Inhale, extend, and exhale, lean over your left leg. You can use your hands to draw your body over your thigh. Maybe place a block under your forehead for some support. Whatever you need so you can find some relaxation and some release in this posture. Come back up and then bring the left leg across the front of the body, squeeze it in. And then twisting to the left, Maybe bring the left hand behind you. With every inhale, lengthen through the crown of the head, and with the exhale, deepen into your twist. Come back to center, and then pick up the left leg as if you're cradling your shin in your arm. So your shin is about parallel, and then just rocking your leg back and forth, opening into the hip a little bit. And then release the leg back down to the ground. Send both legs wide. Inhale, extend. Exhale, hinge forward at the hips for a wide-legged fold. Come back to center. And then bring the left leg into the right thigh and send the right leg long. Exhale, lean over the right leg. Use any props that you might have, a pillow or a block, to rest your forehead. Maybe keep a bend in the right leg so that you can comfortably rest your chest towards your thigh. Long inhales and exhales. Come back up, and then bring your right leg over your left, squeeze it in. And then twisting to the right, bringing the right hand behind you. Inhale, extend through the crown of the head. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Come back to center. Pick up the right leg, cradling it in your arms. And then just rocking back and forth, side to side, opening up the hip. Gently place the leg back down and then send both legs straight out in front of you. Inhale, extend. Exhale, hinge forward. Bring a bend into the knees and keep your spine neutral. Gaze down towards your ankles. And then eventually maybe rounding down. All of these folding postures are very calming. Inhale to extend. Exhale, come all the way up. So take your blocks and place them in a T shape on your mat, and then you're going to lie down. So the bottom of the T is going to come in between your shoulder blades at the upper back, and then the top block is going to support your head as you lie down for a supported fish. Palms face up, maybe soles of feet come together. When you're ready, just crawl into bed, and I hope you have a wonderful sleep. Namaste.